What is going on, everybody? I'm gonna make this short and sweet because I gotta go pick up my chicken parm to go order and your boy's hungry. So what you just watched right there was a quick little video I made for my buddy's beard oil company. And yeah, while I was out there shooting that day, my buddy Evan came and filmed some BTS. So that's what we're gonna do right now, is watch some behind the scenes clips on how I filmed this little beard oil commercial. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, maybe drop a comment. We can talk, we can chit chat. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's early. It's like what, 6:15? We're out in the middle of the woods. So yeah, we didn't location scout for this because YOLO. So
send it.
We're sending it right now, but I think I found a good spot.
There's the man with the beard and the mirror.
All vintage glass, bro. That's how the pros do it. Okay, we're gonna walk to the mirror and I'm gonna shoot from this side. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna try not to die.
Yeah, don't trip.
Ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Alright, let's do it one more time. Like so, where you were before. And we're just gonna walk right to that rock, pretty much.
There's a rock there.
So I'm shooting on a 135 right now at like f5.6, and I'm just trying to get like a shoulder headshot of Ant walking through the woods.
Ant, you're doing great.
Ready?
Yeah.
And go ahead.
Don't you like these? Don't you like these? On our first date? Can you like this? Talk to myself.
Which lenses?
I just want to keep this on me just in case. So the good thing about vintage lenses is they're so small. You just... Huh? Whenever you see yourself, I'm staying like right here, and then just like give yourself a look for a minute. You know? And walk right into frame.
That's so cool because you can see the woods on the outside too.
You got the buzzer?
Yeah.
It's in your back left pocket?
Yeah.
Alright, can you like tuck your shirt into it?
Tuck it into it?
So it's hanging out. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Look at that buzzer.
Look at that buzzer, he says.
You're gonna be standing here. With your left hand, you're gonna like touch your beard like this, and then you're gonna go down and get the buzzer. I'm gonna follow your hand down to get the buzzer. So. And action. And then hand goes down. I think I was a little too slow now. One more time.
You or me?
Well, I was too slow. I didn't follow your hand right. Action.
Sorry.
I'll tell you when to put your hand down.
Alright.
Ready? Go ahead. Hand goes down. Alright, one more time. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna go like down, and then I'll go like around, and that's pretty much when you tell me.
Yeah. Ready? Action. Hand down. Alright, that was really good. Action. missed it. Ready, set, action. When you take it out, want to keep it like tight to your body. You're kind of like showing it to me a little bit.
Oh.
Just kind of keep like pull it straight up from there. Yeah. Action. Perfect. Got it. I think. Oh yeah. So what if you pull it out? Show me the brand and then flip it and look at it.
Look at it. Look at it. Wow. That's real nice.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
I wouldn't taste it though.
We're gonna pick it up from here, and when you go, like the shot's gonna pick up from here. That was terrible, right? And then I'm gonna pan up to you, just like kind of looking at it, and then you can look back up at yourself. Action. Why are you fucking laughing?
I know what to do!
You thought it was wicked funny.
Action. Word. Rub your thumb across it. Go ahead. One more time. Rub it across like once or twice and then just open it right up.
Okay.
Literally exactly what you just did. Ready, set, action. Alright, cool. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Set, action. One more time.
Got it, this again.
Ready, and action. One more time.
It's hard to turn because my hand's so cold.
Ready, set, action. Cool.
Did it work?
Yeah, it worked. You want to rub it in?
I'm gonna have to now. I got 17 drops on my fucking face.
Action. Do you want to just like rub your hands, like you like pretend like you have the oil in your hands, and then bring them up to the face? Yeah. Action. Perfect. Turn towards me and walk past that way.